Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Monoprice Maker Ultimate 3D Printer. I have not opened this up yet. This will be my first time seeing it. So I will be showing you through the process. I did want to show that it does come in some decent packaging. Matter of fact, it even has its own plastic handles on the side, which does make it easy for carrying the box. I was impressed with how the box was not damaged through shipping. So that was awful great. Alright. This is exciting. This is my first 3D printer. Personally owned 3D printer. I have used one other printer, and that is the T-Mod from New Matter, or Mod T, I believe. So here on the top so far, straight on the top, we do have a user manual. And the usual manual, it actually calls it the Maker Select Pro Ultimate 3D Printer. See if you can get a good picture of that. The lighting's not the greatest in here. Then it does have a nice cushioned top here to keep it protected. Seems like some really nice premium foam there. Alright, down to the good stuff. Looks nicely packed in the box. It does look pretty, not no packaging around the outside. It just looks like it's on the top and the bottom. Alright, let's see if we can remove this. Turn it around here. Up to the side of the box. Alright, and once I pull that out with the foam still stuck on the bottom, there's nothing else left in the bottom of the box. Alright, so let's pull the plastic off on the top. And then we'll go ahead. Looks like you have some straps here on the bottom that must be cut before you can pull the foam off of the bottom. Before I go getting too much unpackaged, I would like to do a little round with the video camera to kind of get a full look of it 3D. So we've got our straps there at the bottom that straps the foam and everything packaged in. Looks like we've got a few things on the top there. There's a couple boxes inside. Just trying to get a good view of the whole printer. Looks like they do have a butterfly pre-printed on the top there. And around to the back, we do have a cable that goes from the bottom of the back to the top, with, looks like the cable is not connected to the extruder on the top. It does seem like they have them tied with some protection there. It looks like they did have the other one tied here, but it looks like the strap had broken off. Hopefully there's no issues. Doesn't seem like any kind of damage during shipping. And I'll proceed to pull the bottom cushion off here. Front. Should get a good view of that. around to the front, and then we'll proceed to pull 2 boxes out of the middle. Does look like it's got a extra build plate mat there. Make sure you can get that on the camera there. Extra build plate mat. Looks like it's double sticky it on the bottom there. So it does look like, so we got 2 boxes and a build plate mat. I'm going to pull the internal foam out. So there's nothing else there. Alright, and then we'll loosen this top strap here. We got one more at the top on this side. And we'll be looking through the boxes here. It looks like the first box says 3D printing filament. Let's see what it comes with here. Looks like mine particularly come with a natural colored filament, PLA, 1.75 millimeters, and size 1 kg. So it does come with a nice, healthy, good size roll to start off with, but it is that clear type. If you can catch that on the camera, it's pretty clear. It says it's the natural color. Alrighty, in our next box here, let's see. It comes with, looks like a nice putty knife. Let's go around here to the other side. The camera here. Comes with a nice putty type knife in order to get your prints off. It has looks like a pretty short USB cable that's blue. I'd say maybe 3 foot. Let's take this out of the package. So it looks like it's I believe that's a type A connection. It does feel like a pretty quality cable. This is the type of connection that goes into the printer itself. And we'll look and see exactly where that plugs in at. It does look like the plug is on the back, and I will be going around to get another 360-degree video of that. It looks like it comes with your standard power cord, like would go to your computer power supply. So I do have, these are easy to find, and as a matter of fact, I have extra ones around the house now. Alrighty, and your next one here. It looks like it does come with a filament tube. In order to run your, you run a filament tube from your roll of filament into the top of the extruder. It comes with a set of small needle nose, real thin. It's kind of hard to pick that up. Really thin ones here. Hope maybe you got that. It does come with this long wire in order to, if you get some filament stuck, you're able to stick that down in to get stuck filament out, which I was kind of worried because I needed one of these, so that's good that it come with it. It does come with a few sets of Allen wrenches. I don't know exactly what them are going to go to yet, but it does come with some Allen wrenches. Comes with your full-size SD card. It is not your micro like goes in your cell phone, but it's more like the camera, the ones that goes in your cameras. It's the real big one there. It also comes with a USB plug, so you can read your card. It doesn't say what size it is, but I've never seen a reader like this. It looks like it goes into the side of it like that, and you plug that into your computer. Then it comes with a knob that you have to put on the front. Let's go ahead and install that. Looks like you'll need one of your Allen wrenches to tighten that up. I'll tighten that up here in just a minute. Then it also comes with your filament holder that you would screw in the back here. That's the way the video showed. Brandon from the future here was wanting to show the different features according to the user manual. Ultimate high 20 micron layer resolution, can print from a USB connection or SD card, up to 300 millimeter per second print speed. Extruder nodule temperature can be 180 to 260. Build plate can be that's a 180 to 260 Celsius. Build plate temperature can be 50 to 100 Celsius. Build volume can be 200 times 200 times 175. Supposed to be compatible Windows, Mac, and Ubuntu Linux. Customer service is supposed to be Monoprice website. There's a link there, available Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. PT, and Saturday and Sunday, 9 through 6 p.m. Also, in order to get the back mount on for your to hold your spool, if you notice you can't get to it because of the build plate. It does say in the user manual that you can manually turn the middle screw head here in order to get to that. You'll just either go up or down. It doesn't say, it doesn't matter. I just chose to go down. And if you'll see right back there, there's the hole. You do have a nut on the end. You'll take your nut off and put that in the hole back there. Let's see here, 1 second. There is your nut and your end piece. It looks like the back does have indentions for the nut itself. So we're going to place that nut there in the back. Here. It just looks like it in-seats in there. And then you would take this in the back and screw it in. Thank you very much. Alright, so these are all the extras that you do get with the printer. Extra build plate, filament, your putty knife, your spool holder, your pliers, your USB 2 and your SD card, your filament to hold your filament, to send it to your extruder, your USB cord, and your power cord. And so just to kind of go around a little bit more, we've got the front there. Just kind of get a good view of the printer itself. Sorry for the shaky video. If you'll notice, here is the USB port. Here is for your power, and you do have an on and off switch. Thank you for taking the time to view my video today. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you also are interested in some more of my content, if you could check my playlist or any videos that I have up here in the left-hand corner. Thank you.